new laptop I got, it's like super awesome, and I got it for free. So anyway, I've just been hanging at my house. I'm going to maybe see a play tomorrow. Well, that's actually about it. My fat dog is gonna pass by. Ruby! 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 That's him right there, Fatty. You're cute. You're cute. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him shitting over there. You can barely see his butt. Well, anyway, might be getting a new animal soon, and the RSJ Studio will begin uploading more and more videos as the weekend comes. Well, at least hopefully, so yeah, that's basically it. Well, as always, peace out.